Today's project, we're using these 55-gallon drums. These can be purchased, oftentimes you can Google it and you'll find a place that sells these things used. They're a little bit pricey. They can be $75 for 55-gallon. I got mine for free. If you can find the companies that use these things, oftentimes they're happy to get rid of them at no charge. And so I often, now do be careful what comes in them, because they can be toxic. Some of them have thinner, muriatic acid, et cetera, so use caution, know what you're doing. Here what we're doing is we're taking a piece of chalk, and I'm using left hand, right hand, and I'm dragging the chalk across the middle of the barrel. And it's a little bit of a skill to keep both hands moving simultaneously. Double checking it, I like to get them right in the middle. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Now I'm doing a plunge cut with the saw. Plunge cut means that I slowly lower the saw into the plastic, because you don't want to get kickback. Have good, solid, strong hand contact. Each time I cut and go forward and I stop, I pull the saw back about a half an inch from the previous cut, so that I also don't get a kickback. So keep moving forward. Doesn't take long. Keep a nice and straight line. Make sure you've got your goggles on. Watching it very quickly. Boom, there's your two pieces. Quick and easy. Now what I'm doing is I'm finding in the bottoms, just the way these barrels are manufactured, there's usually a thick piece of plastic on the bottom, and I try to drill my holes slightly above it so that I'm not drilling through the thickest part. I'm using about a 3/8 inch flat bit, and I go around the perimeter. So there it is. There's all of my barrels. I do find that using these containers is a little bit better for weed control, insect control, and much easier to manage. So that's the movement. There's a bag of pea gravel. I pick up this pea gravel from Lowe's, Home Depot. You can get them broken, torn bags for about 50 cents a bag. And the very bottom, I put about, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches of pea gravel. Now I'm taking some landscape cloth, stuff it in the bottom, throw a little bit of dirt. I'm going to throw some dirt around the perimeter of it so it doesn't move. Now I'm going to just roll it and then pour the rest of it in and fill it up. Let's get another one. Let's fill it up all the way. Boom. There we go. Nice little soil. Smooth it out. And you got yourself a new bed. Again, I find it easier for bug